Can you sing the baby a song now? Say night-night, baby. Is that baby sleeping? Shh. Ah. Baby.
It's night-night.
Night-night. Be careful. What are you doing? Do you love that baby?
Baby.
Oh, he said nice, baby. Rock-a-bye, baby.
Bye, baby.
Can you give the baby a snuggle? Stay up there. Give the baby a snuggle. Aw, snuggle. Say snuggle.
No.
No. Can you give the baby a kiss?
Yes.
Huh?
See, baby.
You see the baby?
Baby, Lolly.
Is that baby Adelaide?
Here.
You see her? Can you say play Xbox Connect?
Next.
You're so silly. What you got there?
A baby.
A baby. A baby's toes? Yeah. Toes. Toes.
Die.
Where?
Daddy's home.
Huh?
Daddy's home.
No, Daddy's not home. Daddy's at work.
Baby.
Is the baby sleeping? Put her to nap. Put her to bed. What was that?
Daddy.
No, it wasn't Daddy. It was Adelaide.
Alice here.
Yeah, Adelaide's here.
Alice here.
Adelaide's here, yeah.
Alice here.
Adelaide's here. Can you put that baby down for a nap? Put her down. Shh. Give her a kiss.
Mama.
Now put her down. Shh. Say night-night, baby. Oh, she needs to rock again? Rock-a-bye, baby. Okay. Say bye, camera.
Bye, Nana.
Say I love you.
I will.
And blow kisses.
Oh, my baby. Oh, she.
Okay, can you blow me a kiss?
Oh, she.
Can you blow Mama a kiss? No? Give me a kiss. Give the camera a kiss.
Oh, Mama.
Oh, I know. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.